Hey guys, I want to introduce you to my newest listing at 10412 Linfield. This is a great looking little property. It's located in Sun City, Summerlin. It's 2-bedroom, 2-bath, a little over 1,800 square feet, 2-car garage. Really just a wonderful little place that's been very well maintained. So the cool thing about this property is that it's up on a hill and it has a great view of both the strip kind of and the valley. So it has a great patio sitting area in the backyard, and then in the front, the homeowners built in just a real cozy, like coffee style patio that overlooks the entire valley, the entire strip from the front of the house. So I think you're really gonna love this house. It has a third office slash den that has the closet area built into the room. So all you have to do is maybe spend 30, 40 bucks with a handyman to put up the doors, and you have a third bedroom. The layout is very open, very easy to walk around in this house, and it's just a great home for anybody looking to move into the Sun City, Summerlin community. What else? Garage, tons of garage space, water softener, granite countertops with very nice backsplash, and black appliances that are included in the sale of the property. The sellers are very motivated, and we have this price to sell. So if you're interested in taking a look at this home, please call me, 702-328-4583. Text me, call me. Hey, Facebook message me. We'll get you into the home, and let's write an offer because I think you're really, really going to love this home. Views of the entire city, probably the best views in the entire Sun City, Summerlin community. I'm Nathan Robart, and I want you to come by and take a look at my new property at 10412 Linfield Place. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.